Areas
gone from many eastern parts of the UK as low clouds spread in from the North Sea. Tomorrow that should break up to give some good sunny spells across most areas, but we're all going to see a change, I think, for the end of the week. That cloud then moving in quite quickly through this evening. It's been plaguing those eastern parts of England and Scotland all the way through the day. Temperatures here just 11, 12 or 13 degrees at best. But those fairly brisk easterly winds are blowing it right in across the Midlands. It'll be stopped short by the high ground, so western fringes of the UK staying clear. A dry night pretty much everywhere, but a fairly cool night, particularly across the northern half of the country. 6, 7, 8 degrees, the low, for example, across Scotland and northern England, just about holding into double figures further south. So a bit of a grey start tomorrow for many of us, but the strong sunshine will soon get to work on that cloud sheet, so melting it away from most places by the end of the morning. But as you can see, it's a bit more reluctant to clear away again from those areas bordering the North Sea. But a beautiful afternoon across Wales, lots of sunshine, bright blue skies. It'll feel quite warm again, 21, 22 Celsius, despite that fairly brisk northeasterly wind. 17 in Belfast, but 20 degrees further west across Northern Ireland. That'll be one of the sunniest spots of the day. But I'm fairly hopeful that the cloud should break up quite widely across Scotland too for the afternoon. Always, though, the risk of further misty low cloud just feeding in to the east coast of Scotland. That's always going to be a risk down that eastern side of England once again too. It'll break a bit inland, but right on the coast it might be something of a struggle. Come away from that chilly east coast, so 22 degrees in London, 24 in Southampton. Just the chance of 1 or 2 showers beginning to appear across southernmost counties of England through the course of the afternoon. That's the first signs, well, of a change that we're going to see across southern areas as we go through Wednesday night and into Thursday. An area of low pressure just edging up from the Bay of Biscay will spread a fairly active weather system in across those southernmost parts of England and Wales. Could be up to an inch of rain in a few places, probably welcome rain in a few spots as well after a lengthy dry spell. Further north, still chilly along those eastern coasts thanks to the low cloud. A bit of brightness still coming through elsewhere. And in fact, for northern parts of the UK, it's still a largely dry story through Friday and into Saturday. On the cool side, though, still towards those North Sea coast. And certainly turning cooler further south as well. A much more unsettled look to things, a different feel to things, with temperatures at best in the mid-teens.